and welcome to Sounds of Phonics. I'm Miss Shirley. Today we're going to do Book 3, Part 2. And we're going to blend. We're going to make a train. We're going to start at the first sound and go to the last sound. Are you ready? Fun. Fun. I'm having so much fun at Disneyland or at Ocean Park. Gap. Oh my, that little boy has a gap in his teeth because his teeth have fallen off. Bed. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Lip. 2 little eyes that open and shut. 2 little ears and 1 little nose. 2 little cheeks and 1 little chin. 2 little lips with the teeth tucked in. La 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 la. And that's lips. Sun. Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, won't you shine down on, please shine down on me. Dot. Put a dot over here and a dot over there. Put a dot on your ear and a dot in the air. Put a lot of little dots in the air everywhere. It's a dotty kind of day. Plug. Now that's a plug, and I plug my phone in to get electricity, or I plug my blender in, or I plug the hairdryer in, or I plug the refrigerator in. Stop. Stop, says the red light. Go, says the green. Then there's the orange light coming in between. Waiting. And then when we see the red light, we stop. List. I'm writing a long list of everything that I have to buy at the supermarket. I have to buy fruits, vegetables, cakes, eggs, flour, a long list. Pump. I'm pumping the water, and it's going to come out from the bore well down there. There's a well, and then we pump, and then the water comes out, and then we fill it in the bucket. Bad. Don't be bad, be good. Fit. Oh my goodness, the shoes are too big. They don't fit him. And that pant is too big. It won't fit him. Elf. And that's an elf. What does an elf do? He helps Santa to make presents. Are elves real? No, they're not real. They're just fairy tales or myths. Curler up club. We're going to the club to play with our badminton rackets. Lot. I have a lot of candies. I'm so lucky. Must. I must do my work. If I don't do my work, I'll get into trouble. Crab, 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 crab. Oh my goodness, there's a crab. He goes sideways like that. And I love to eat crabs. They're delicious. Big, big, big. The elephant wobbles from side to side. He's terribly big. He's terribly wide. And people shout wherever he goes, goodness gracious, you've got a long nose. See? He's got such a long nose called a trunk. Fill. I'm going to fill this glass or cup with water. Crust. Crust. Ust. And this is a crust. The crust is hard and crunchy. Cut. Let's cut up the carrots. Amp. Lamp. And that's a lamp. And what do I use my lamp for? I use my lamp in the night when I need to read. It's a reading lamp. Not. I'm not sad. I'm happy. Up. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Plan. Let's make a plan. What should we do? First we go to Disneyland, then we have dinner, and then we come home. Got. I've got a present. Effort. Left. Now, I'm looking at this and I can see a L. You can't see the L, but when I'm looking at it, I can see a L. So that's my left hand and that's my right hand. Left. Gift. I've got a lovely gift or a present. Crib. The baby sleeps in a bed and that bed is called a crib. Still. I'm still happy. I'm not sad. Now let's read from the beginning to the end. Are you ready? Okay. We have to make trains. First sound, last sound. Fun. Gap. Bed. Lip. Sun. Dot. Plug. Stop. List. Pump. Bad. Fit. Elf. Club. Lot. Must. Crab. Big. Fill. Crust. Cut. Lamp. Knot. Up. Plan. Got. Left. Gift. Crib. Still. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.